Hey, so if you want to write, edit, and organize documents faster, yeah, Google Gemini works really well with Google Docs. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to use Google Gemini with Google Docs in 2026. First thing, open Google Docs and sign in with your Google account. Create a new document or open an existing one. Next, use Gemini to generate content. So you can ask it to write paragraphs, reports, or full documents. All right, highlight your text and ask Gemini to improve it. I mean, you can make it more formal, clearer, or more professional. Now use it to summarize. If your document is long, Gemini can turn it into short key points. Next, check grammar. So Gemini can correct spelling mistakes and improve sentence structure automatically. All right, ask for outlines. I mean, you can plan essays, reports, or proposals before writing them fully. And yeah, finalize your document. You can combine Gemini's suggestions with your own edits for the best result. So that's how you use Google Gemini with Google Docs. Once you get used to it, writing documents becomes much faster and easier.